Hi, my name is Kayla Bobo. I am currently an online student with Catawba College in Salisbury, North Carolina. I'm currently working two jobs. One is a waitressing job at Outback Steakhouse, and the other I am a physical therapy aide intern at my local physical therapy office. I was with them last winter, and I've returned to come back to them because of the work environment. I just love everything about it. I'd previously worked at another physical therapy office as a technician about 2 or 3 years ago, when I was at my first school, my local community college. Since then, I have been at another office in North Carolina, and now I am back to Elite Care Physical Therapy in Maryland. I absolutely love everything about being there. The patients, the paperwork doesn't even bother me. I love everything about the experience. And working at different offices has helped me to overcome and adapt to the way the different therapists work, and I have to adapt to how they work so that I may assist them and pertain to everything that my job title holds. I love the patient care. I just seeing them come in on their first day and then having to discharge them on their last, and it leaves me speechless. I love everything about it. They walk in on their first day, or if they had a leg injury or a surgery and they can barely walk, and on their last day they're just about sprinting out of the office. And they couldn't have done that without us and without our physical therapists and the help that we provide them. I just love everything about it. Alongside that, we do have to multitask a lot as an aide. We help the patients with their exercises, but also while doing that, we have paperwork, patient entering charts, making sure everything is clean in between each patient. So it can get a little hectic, but I'm a great multitasker and I love being here for it, especially on the busy days. And just everything about being with the patients, being in that office. It's a beautiful way to spend my day. It's what I look forward to when I wake up. It's what I look forward to for the previous week. And I think I would be an amazing addition to your office. Thank you for your time.